So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing this Moen Renzo in the spot resistant stainless. There's the model number right there. Additionally, right here on the side of the cabinet, there's Moen's sticker they send with all of their faucets now. So that's their phone number, that's the model number, any replacement parts that you need, up to and including if the finish begins to fail. They'll replace that entire faucet for you, including cartridges and whatnot, or spray head fails, sending you a new spray head. So everything's right there. So the faucet's installed, everything's working correctly. You've got a good reach to both sides of the two-compartment sink. Hot and cold spins a little bit further to the right, but in tightening it down, we didn't want to crimp any of the hoses down there. It's a pretty tight hole drilled through the granite, so we wanted to leave a little bit of room there, and it just fit right here real good. But you can see it's pretty even from left to right, nothing to be concerned about. We checked it here, make sure that there's no leaking in the hose, so that's good. We did ask the homeowner to monitor this on occasion. So, once that begins to fail, it weeps a little bit of water, and it goes down through that cavity, because this is hollow right in here and goes down into the cabinet area. So we've tested out, everything looks good. The only thing that we've done down here is connect to the existing shutoff valves. That's the hot, it's a dual angle stop tied into the dishwasher. And we did tighten the packing nuts just a little bit, just to make sure that you get any weeping out of there. And these are integrated supplies, which means the faucet comes with its own supply line. So the one on the left is the hot. And then over here on the cold side, we sneak a picture through there, hopefully. There is the cold supply sitting right there. And that's the dishwasher hose. It's sneaking up behind it right there and going over the dishwasher. So everything looks good. Just monitor this area. Make sure that no weeping, leaking occurs. Anything happens or any trouble, give us a holler. We'll come back out and take care of it right away. Outside of that, this installation is done.
That's the first time I saw that.